Hey guys, welcome to the another video of that Thodal for you. So I'm here to give you a experience of the night ride. So it's actually not the night ride. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, and I will show you I'll catch some of the glimpse of the night ride, like morning rides and all. And if you like this type of content, please do hit like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So I'll be shifting my gears without the clutch, as you all can notice. This is, if you want to learn this, please comment down. I'll make one video on how to shift the gears without using the clutch. Like you can do the downshift as well as upshift. It's so much easy. You just have to match the rev and do it. So till then, enjoy the view, guys. So one more request from the viewer: don't try it one-handed. I have some experience of driving the bike. I think 7 to 8 years of experience. So that's why. So make sure you ride your bike with both the handled by you, handled by hand. So let's overtake them and just charge. Okay, here we go. The 80s. What is the very fun about this bike is you can hit 80 per kilometer per hour very easily. Very easily. I have been traveling last time the Honda Levo, and in that there was the power lag. You can't hit 80 or 90 easily. But on this bike, when I have shifted to this bike, I can do that very well. And one more thing I like about this bike is the low end pull. So now we are on the 5th gear. I've slowed down, but I can pull from here. I can pull it from here. So low end pull is so good in this, and slipper clutch is also good. I put on a short video on slipper clutch, how it pulls on the first gear. Please go and watch that. And basically I am from Jharkhand. I have transported my bike to Hyderabad. Loud roar, huh? So we are on the 5th gear. We have been enjoying the ride. Okay, this is a very nice view. This road is totally surrounded by trees. In between, you just ride your bike with this nice scenic view. In night, you won't be seeing that much, but in the day, it will be looking so good. Again, one request: please don't ride it single-handedly. Your bike or any of your bike. When enjoying this morning ride, Okay, we have been to the city of Hyderabad, the city of maps. Let me take the left turn with one hand. Okay, so I was saying, so we are coming to the end of the video. Then I would like to say, do hit like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can get the motivation to make such videos. Thank you so much for watching it. I think I can hold it for 30 more seconds. Please enjoy the 30 more seconds of it. Whoa! Whoa!